I've said it before in a bunch of my videos, Iowa is only known for its farming scenery, but if you ever make it to the northeast of the state, you can find some truly wild nature. And today, we're going to be making that drive in an attempt to visit 6 different Iowa waterfalls in one day. Our first major stop and the beginning of this waterfall road trip takes us to Guttenberg, Iowa. At least that's how the locals call it. Guttenberg is a small fishing town right off the Mississippi River. And near the edge of town, we find the Big Springs Nature Park right off the scenic byway, and contains our very first waterfall. After enjoying our time at Big Springs Park, we head out to waterfall number 2, just a short 20-minute drive from Guttenberg to Pikes Peak, Iowa, which is one of Iowa's most premier and beautiful locations. It has one of the best scenic overlooks that I've personally ever seen. We will be taking a very short and easy hike, a little under half a mile, over wooden decking and headed to Bridal Veil Falls Lookout. This waterfall got its name because when it ices over and freezes during winter, it resembles a bridal's veil. Next, we have another short 10-mile drive to the Beulah Falls located in the Spooky Cave campground. The waterfall is located just inside the campground off to the side of the main road, so you don't actually have to head very far into the area. Alright, and that right there is waterfall number 3. There's actually a lot of different things to do at this little tourist attraction, including a guided boat tour into the actual cave itself. The next location is an hour's drive away in the beautiful town of Decorah, which actually hosts the next 3 waterfalls all near together. We are heading to the Menanifee State Preserve just outside of town. Fair warning to you, this is a 1-mile hike through unmaintained woods. Although the path is frequently traveled, we have found a few downed trees across the way and had to walk some fairly rough terrain to get here.
is handicap friendly, guys. Nice parking right there.
It's worth noting that it has been raining here for the past few weeks. This has led to an ugly change in water color and high levels of flooding, so it doesn't always look like this. Our fifth location is the Dunning Springs Park, which is actually a fairly big tourist attraction, so expect to see a lot more people in this encounter, but that means the walk up to the falls are extremely relaxed and easy to get to. Here you can see how much the rains have amplified the pressure of the water trying to return to the upper Iowa River. Dunning Springs boasts a 200-foot waterfall drop from the mouth to the base, and is definitely worth your time to visit if you're in the area.
So, probably our favorite so far, 10 of 10 so far of Iowa waterfalls. We got one more to go, and a surprise at the end of the video.
Our final stop takes us just down the road to the Decorah Fishing Hatchery, which is decorated by a bunch of fine art and also has locations to learn and feed the fish in the area. This location's waterfall is more of a spillway, but is still fed by underground spring water. And for your seventh waterfall, cheers.